And here is yet another video in which we will see the simplification of expression using Boolean algebra. So without wasting time, let's begin with the expression. My expression is ABC plus A bar B bar C plus ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar B bar C bar. And I am supposed to simplify this expression. So let's rearrange it. So ABC plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus ABC plus ABC bar. There's nothing complicated in this step, only this term has been rearranged and I have put this in the third position. Rest all the equation is same. And we have ABC, and here I can take A bar and B bar to be common from the second and third term. So A bar B bar is common and we are left with C plus C bar. From the last two terms take AB common, so you will be left with C plus C bar. Now as we know the rule which says C plus C bar is equal to 1. So this bracket will be equal to 1 and this bracket will also be equal to 1. My expression reduces to ABC plus A bar B bar plus AB. Then I am going to take AB common. So I am left with 1 plus C and this term will remain as it is, A bar B bar. Again one more rule which says 1 plus C is equal to 1. So AB plus A bar B bar. In this way this expression has been simplified and we have got the simplified result as AB plus A bar and B bar. Moving ahead, we will see the next expression and how to solve it. So AB plus ABC plus A bar B plus A B bar C. Now we will again solve this expression using the laws of Boolean algebra. First of all, AB plus A bar B, rearrange the like terms. ABC plus AB bar C. Take B common from the first two terms, so in the bracket we have A plus A bar. Here I can take A and C common, so in the bracket I have B plus B bar. Then we have a rule which says A plus A bar is equal to 1, therefore B plus B bar will also be equal to 1. In this way the expression gets reduced to B plus A into C, since this bracket was equal to 1 and this bracket was equal to. My expression is simplified and the result obtained is B plus A into C. Now we will see the third expression. The third expression is ABC plus A bar B into C plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar. Take B into C common from the first two terms. So A plus A bar. Next here we can take B bar and C bar common. So B bar C bar out of the bracket and we are left with A plus A bar. The rule is A plus A bar is equal to 1. So B into C plus B bar C bar. And in this way I have simplified the expression. Let's see the last expression for this video, which is B plus B into C, B plus B bar C and B plus D. I am supposed to simplify this expression. In the first step we will solve the first two brackets, so B into B plus B into B bar C plus B into C plus B bar C into C. and the third bracket will remain as it is, so b plus d. There is a rule which says b into b bar is equal to 0. So here we have b into b bar, this will be equal to 0. Again in the second term there is b into b bar, so this will also be equal to 0. b into b plus b c, and then b plus d. Then we have a rule which says b into b is equal to b. If it's b into b bar, then the value is 0, and if it's b into b, then the value is b. So b into b will be equal to b. Again here also b into b will be equal to b. So my expression becomes b plus b into c, and here b plus d. Take b common, so 1 plus c into b plus d. The rule says 1 plus c is equal to 1, so b into b plus d. This is the simplified form of the expression, and in this way we can simplify the expression using Boolean algebra. So this is how I have simplified the complex expression using the laws of Boolean algebra. I hope the concept was clear. Thank you so much for watching till the end.